Notion Custom Agents are AI-powered assistants inside Notion that help automate tasks, generate content, and manage workflows. Notion Custom Agents are highly worth it for teams, acting as autonomous teammates that monitor your workspace and execute workflows based on schedule or database triggers. While their tight integrations across Slack, Mail, and MCP tools are incredibly powerful for automated task triaging, they require a well-structured data foundation and can add unexpected credit-based subscription costs. This workspace tool offers 4 distinct tiers: a completely free plan at $0, a plus plan at 10 yearly or 12 monthly, and a recommended business tier at 20 yearly or 24 monthly per member. For large-scale organizations needing advanced security and control, they offer a top-tier enterprise plan with custom pricing. Reddit users say AI tools may become much more expensive in the future once users are locked in, as companies currently run at a loss. Over time, costs will likely be passed to consumers, with tools like Notion possibly already adjusting pricing. Overall, AI prices are expected to rise in coming years. Overall, they're worth it for productivity-heavy users, but casual users may not need the extra complexity or cost. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical reviews.